Subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell for all future notifications. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get Priyanka Chopra inspired big curls, which is more like crimping, but it's in between somewhere actually. So this is the outcome and it's going to be a heatless method, and as I always say, the hair texture and hair length, the haircut makes a lot of difference, and it might look a little different from Pee Cee, but this is my version. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all you need to divide your hair into 2 equal parts, and it's okay if it's not neat. Then take some water and just dampen your hair. Make sure that your hair are not soaking wet but somewhere around 20 to 30% damp. And then take a small section from the front like so. Divide it into 3 further sections and start making a French braid. Now if you do not know how to make French braid, then I have a full-fledged tutorial on that and I will link it up here so that you can refer to it. And I will be making this French braid only halfway through. So once I reach my ear level, I will not be making any more French braid and I will start doing a normal regular braid. And basically I will be doing 2 braids on each side. So once I've reached my ear level, I'm just making a normal braid as you can see. But halfway through the length of my hair, I feel that the hair are dry. So I'm going to add a little more water, and it's really important for your hair to be damp so that they stay for a really long time. This particular method helped me make my curls stay for 4 days straight. And then just take a normal elastic rubber band and just tie your braid off. Now working on the back section, make sure that it should be nicely damp. So I'm using a little more water there, and then I'm just making a regular 3-strand braid. You do not really need to do a French braid at the back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once your one side is done, you have to basically repeat the same step on the other side as well, and you will end up with 4 braids, 2 French and 2 normal. And this is how you will look. A little funny but cute though. And just go to sleep, take your good 8-hour beauty sleep and wake up with beautiful curls. Now this is how your braids will look, and this is how the curls will come out once you wake up and your hair are completely dry. This is going to be a result. Just open them nicely and make sure that you are not really making any knots in your hair. Be very gentle and careful with that because it might lead to some knots. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I love this method. This is so beautiful, so easy, and it doesn't need any heat. So yes, this is the final outcome guys. I love how it looks. It stayed for 4 days straight, and it could have stayed a little more if I would have not washed my hair, but I think 4 days already is a lot. So yeah, this is your final outcome. This is how my hair look. They look gorgeous. And yeah, this is me after makeup, and that's all for this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this one, and you will be recreating this. So if you're going to recreate this, please do let me know in the comments below and share your pictures on Instagram with me or tag me. I would love to see your recreations, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, lots and lots of love to you.